Welcome, bookworms, to Nikki Loves Books. We actually got our December 2021 OwlCrate box. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this obviously for a while because now it is February 2022 and this is the box from December 2021. So if you guys did not know, OwlCrate is having problems with shipping just like everyone else in the world thanks to COVID. So that's why this is a wee bit late. But let's jump into it and open the box. So first off, of course, we have the artwork, which is mermaids, because I believe the theme this month is something to do with the oceans. And yes, so December 2021 theme for the OwlCrate box is Beneath the Waves. Okay, and I don't really quite know where to start with this box because I want to actually grab the biggest box that's in there, but I feel like everything that's nicely placed on the side is just going to fall down. So I think we're going to go ahead and go with something smaller on the side first. So it looks like it unfolds. I think it's a shopping bag of some sort, like a tote. Oh. And yes, it is a reusable shopping bag. So handy. Thank you, OwlCrate, for this because these are incredibly handy. I really like using them when I take a bunch of presents on Christmas to family and stuff, and I just shove all of them in a bunch of reusable shopping bags. So it's got a good size. Really pretty pattern too. Janie LeCure was inspired by the deadly sirens haunting the ocean depths in To Kill a Kingdom when creating the design for this foldable, reusable shopping bag. Keep it handy in your purse or car to help keep plastic bags out of our ocean. And absolutely, most of California, if not all of California, actually does not allow or did not allow plastic bags, but unfortunately, since COVID, all the plastic bags have come back. We'll go for this small box. All right, and this box says, I'd rather die on an adventure than live standing still. Let's go ahead and open it. Feels like jewelry or sounds like jewelry, and yes. So it is a necklace. It's really pretty, has a lot of shine to it. At Paperback Bones designed this spinning pendant necklace for those who adore subtle, bookish accessories. Fans of a darker shade of magic will recognize the Antari words as travars, meaning to travel on one side, and minimalist gray London streets on the other. Again, guys, I have not read A Darker Shade of Magic, which I feel is like probably one of the worst things about me right at this moment. We'll get to it. I'm seriously hoping this year. Sometimes I get really excited about these cute little bags that OwlCrate uses. Yeah, definitely going to keep this. And inside the pretty bag was... Oh, this is pretty. see if I can get a good angle for you guys. There we go. So we were salt and sand and sea and storm. And this is a cleaning cloth for like eyeglasses and screens, which I always need these because I wear glasses. So keep your glasses and e-reader screens clean with our double-sided cleaning cloth inspired by Fable. On one side, you'll find one of our favorite quotes from the duology, hand-lettered by @meaningful letters. On the other, Nicole Deal Art illustrated one of our favorite underwater scenes of Fable and West. So there's that quote side again. I'm so excited to use this. And then the scene. So OwlCrate exclusive, of course, created by Juniper and Ivy Designs. And it's a wooden bookmark with a great quote. There's freedom in stories. We read them and we become something else. So it's a wooden ornament. So again, wooden ornament by Juniper and Ivy Designs. Juniper and Ivy Designs wants to add a bit of bookishness to your tree with this wooden ornament they created that's inspired by the mermaid, the witch, and the sea. This is a cool box. I'm very interested to see what is in here. Let's read the back. Never miss your next heroic quest with this magnetic dry erase weekly calendar. Display it on your fridge or locker to help you stay organized. Designed with Love by Chatty Nora. So first off, it did come with a dry erase marker that has an eraser at the tip. Thank goodness. All right. So if my life is going to mean anything, I have to live it myself. So this is a weekly dry erase board that can go on your locker or your fridge. Mine's going to go on my fridge. Okay, let's go for the next box. So, reading through the seasons. This is the last drinkware from 2021 from OwlCrate. To celebrate the unique beauty found in each of the 4 seasons, we've created a special limited collection of drinkware designed by artist Macarena Chomek. We welcome winter and its cozy quiet nights with this beautiful ceramic mug featuring a quote from Toni Morrison. It's a gigantic mug. I love gigantic mugs so much. Okay, so the piece of winter stars seemed permanent. So that is the quote on this gigantic mug, which I love. I love these. I'm so using this today. Like, I haven't had coffee yet, and I am going to be making coffee in this morning. This oversized ceramic mug featuring a quote from Toni Morrison marks the last installment of our Reading Through the Seasons Drinkware 2021 collection. Artist Macarena Chomek captured the pale loveliness of wintertime with this final floral piece, and we just can't wait to use it for hot chocolate. I'm using mine for coffee. But I will probably, no, this is going to be a coffee mug. Not going to lie. Let's keep going, and I think this is our reading planner that we've been waiting for. And it is. And it's a beautiful. It's a beautiful reading planner. And I like that it's soft cover and it's, you know, doesn't have the spiral. I don't always like spiral notebooks. A book is a dream that you hold in your hands. It is so true. Okay, let's look at it. Upcoming releases tracker. A month count, and I like that they're blank so you can fill them in and you don't have to necessarily do January through December because obviously this arrived very late. So my monthly to be read list, notes, weekly planner. And it just kind of repeats with that, which makes sense because there's 4 weeks usually in a month. And then book reviews. I like that. Describe this book in 3 words. Dates read, genre, rating, notes, title and author. This is going to be so helpful for me. Monthly wrap up. Yeah, and then just repeats through that for, it looks like there's 12 months in here. So that's fantastic. Oh, that's cool. They have some fun things in the back. They're very bookish inspired. There's a lot of note pages in the back. End of the year wrap up. Noteworthy quotations. Book recs. Comprehensive book log. So this is an easy way to look at everything all at once. I am so keeping this. So I'm not going to lie. In the past, I've always gifted my past reading planners just because I didn't like them that much. But this year's, or not 2022, 2021's reading planner to be used in 2022 is fantastic. Really enjoying this one. And just so everyone is aware, this was created and designed by Tess Motovich at Paperback Bones. So I do want to give credit because she made a fantastic reading planner. Just a friendly reminder, everyone, to please subscribe. I do book reviews. I always do OwlCrate unboxings, and I try to do those whenever I get the box. So this video is freshly made. I don't open the box prior. I open it with you guys so you guys can see all the cool stuff OwlCrate gets. Don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you guys for my next OwlCrate unboxing and or my book reviews and book recaps. And for the OwlCrate December 2021 book, we have this beauty, Skin of the Sea by Natasha Bowen. An unforgettable debut inspired by West African mythology. Skin of the Sea reads like Children of Blood and Bone meets The Little Mermaid, my favorite Disney movie, in which a mermaid takes on the gods themselves. We think you'll become entangled in the lushy, captivating fantasy world that Natasha Bowen created as much as we did. Our signed edition features an exclusive cover, as well as a reversible dust jacket. That water looks gorgeous. That was really nicely done. Just look how pretty she is. So reversible dust jacket art created by artist Laylee Frazier at Ukulele. You'll also find Gorgeous gilded edges. Yes, yes, yes. Loving it. A full color hardcover case. And special end pages, all exclusive to our edition. They made this book extremely beautiful. Last but not least, there's also an author letter that comes with each OwlCrate book every month. The last bookish accessory that is included in each OwlCrate box is always an enamel pin. So Icy Designs was inspired by the Mami Wata in Skin of the Sea when designing this month's enamel pin. We're in love with the colors of it. Matches the book very, very well. But that is not all. We also have the OwlCrate newsletter. I love going through these. So the OwlCrate newsletter always features a tiny interview with the author from the book of the month. It also shows us the difference between the regular cover and the OwlCrate exclusive cover. Both of them are beautiful, but I like the OwlCrate one better just because I like that pop and it looks a lot more ocean. So there's always something fun like our word search or crossword puzzle or some sort of game or like book recommendations. Like if you liked this book, yes, no, and you follow down a trail to a different book recommendation. There's at least something fun like that in each OwlCrate newsletter. In the December 2021 newsletter, we have a 2022 reading resolutions. And one of them I really liked because I was like, well, yeah. And that is read the books you already own. That might be a good resolution for me. They also have some book recommendations if you like the book from this month. So we have The Mermaid, the Witch, and the Sea by Maggie Takuda Hall. To Kill a Kingdom by Alexandra Christo, which I think I own that book. I think that might have been a past OwlCrate book. I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to double check, but pretty sure I own the book because of OwlCrate. All the Stars and Teeth by Adeline Grace. And I also believe this might have been a past OwlCrate book, and therefore I own it and have not read it. Again, goals. I got a lot of 2022 goals. Next up in the newsletter is always a small interview with one of the vendors. And so we have the vendor who did the lettering on the cleaning cloth. So meaningful letters. We got the December's box photo challenge and information about the Owl Babble. One of my ultimate favorite things about the newsletter is actually the Spotify playlist. So this month's Spotify playlist is Beneath the Waves, an atmospheric playlist inspired by the darkness lurking in the ocean depths. And then last but definitely not least is the other books they're excited that are releasing this month. And I believe that was December 2021. So The Coldest Touch by Isabel Sterling. The Excalibur Curse by Kirsten White. The Midnight Girls by Alyssa Jasinska. Heart of the Impaler by Alexander Delacroix. A History of Wild Places by Shay Earnshaw. And that is it for our OwlCrate December 2021 unboxing. Thank you all so much for being here. I'm so excited to have you. Hope you guys catch me next time. And please look forward to my review of Skin of the Sea because I will be cracking up that book today.